Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to cloak affiliate links in WordPress. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do it. Cloaking an affiliate link just means making it look nicer and not so obvious. It usually looks like a permalink in the form of example.com/recommends/xyz, example.com/go/xyz, or just example.com/xyz, where xyz is the name of the affiliated product or service. One of the easiest ways to cloak your affiliate link is to install a WordPress plugin. From your dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New Plugin. In the search bar on the right, enter Pretty Links. The plugin we will use is called just like that, Pretty Links. It has excellent reviews, more than 300,000 active installations, was recently updated, and is compatible with my version of WordPress. Click Install Now to install it, and when it is installed, click on Activate to activate it. Reload this page, and the newly created Pretty Links section will be inside the left column. Hover over it and click on Add New. First, you need to add a title to your affiliate link. In this example, I will use my Optimize Press affiliate link. It is one of the best WordPress page builders in the world, and I use it personally for my official website at alekstanojevic.com. I will name my affiliate link Optimize Press. I will leave this redirection value as it is, and to cloak my affiliate link, I will copy it and paste it here, where it says target URL. In the next box, after your web address, you can enter whatever you want. For this example, I will enter Optimize Press and click on Update to create it. If I copy my cloaked affiliate link, open my browser in incognito window and paste it, the Optimize Press sales page will open, which means that my cloaked affiliate link works perfectly. If I go back to my Pretty Links page and reload it, the number of clicks should change from 0 to 1. It does, which means that from now on I can check the number of clicks on my affiliate links inside my WordPress website. And that's all for this tutorial. Now you know how to cloak affiliate links in WordPress. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button below. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel to stay updated on future tutorials. This will also make it easier for others who want to find this video and this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.